What's up, guys? It's your boy Butch from Imperial Automobile. Welcome to Imperial TV. Not fun. Trying to play. You're not fun. Yeah. I hit the dog. That's a good one. Good sucker. No, I don't know how to play. How are you?
Hi, I was
training.
Don't zoom into my face. I look bad. You cut that shit.
Okay.
That's got a
See,
Mino in it.
See how it says free ticket?
It's got a Mino
if you look at it through the water, it'll say fuck it.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, you wanna try?
No, look in it again.
Try.
No, you should show me how. Demonstrate. Demonstrate.
Told you I can't play with her. She's not play friendly.
I'm just one step ahead of you. You just
yeah. Alright, I'm gonna need your help to do a couple things for me at the other shop, if you don't mind. Whenever you're ready. You gonna go with me?
Yeah.
See, she's not fun. She'd be like, yeah, let's go.
I'm tired, I just trained.
Oh my god. So, I think I cut myself playing with this girl. Today was a very, very stressful day. Trying to get so many things done at the same time. And manage. And get so many jobs in and out quick before I head out of town. Heading out of town for about a few days. So I was trying to make sure that everybody is 100% on like checking in line. As far as like jobs, customers getting paid, insurance and all that. And employees, of course. Because I don't want it to be like where the boss leaves and then, oh, the bus is not here, let's have fun. Yeah, not happening. So on today's episode, what we're doing is I'm doing a surprise for Gabriella. I bought a Porsche Macan Turbo, white on red. You guys are gonna love it, and I'm sure she will too. I'll buy it so that way she doesn't continue driving her Mini Cooper and stuff like that. So let's see how she reacts to that surprise. You guys are gonna love that car. Should we surprise her? Is it time? Isn't that too early to buy a girl a car? Yes? No? Well, DM me, let me know. But either way, I'm just gonna surprise her. So I'm gonna tell her that, hey, follow me to the shop, you're gonna help me with something, and then she's gonna look at the car and she'll be like, oh, I like this car. And then I'm gonna be like, yeah. And then I'll be like, set your ass and it's yours. Is that how you do it? No, that's not how you do it. I'm just gonna be like, hey babe, what do you think of this car? And she'll be like, oh, I like it. And be like, okay, well, it's yours. Let's see how she says, let's see how she reacts. I'll see you, Habibi. Be careful, have a good night. So better checka papa. So I'm trying to teach him what the capital of talent is. What do you call it? Hancock? Hancock? Not that I like dick. That sounded really bad. I just like to play with my guys. Not in a bad way, but in a fun way. So what's the capital of Thailand? I'm gonna put my.
What's the capital of Thailand?
You know what? Look, he's like, hey, come touch me. This is so gay. That's the way we look at each other. Hey, I don't forget, come early in the morning. Oh my God. Yeah, but have a good night. Be safe. Good night.
That's funny, man.
So before Gabriella walks in, I'm gonna go ahead and put the ribbon. She doesn't know anything about the ribbon. I'm gonna make her wait in the car and then we'll put the ribbon. I would be surprised her. Alright, so just stay here. We'll be back, okay? We're just gonna go ahead and open the door and stuff like that. Disarm the place.
Sounds good.
What are we doing?
I'm gonna put some ribbons on this. What's up, baby? Can you help me do the ribbon?
What's up, man? How are you?
So, chilling.
What car are you putting in?
I got this car for not Lauren, Gabriella.
Your girlfriend?
Which one?
Don't put that on there.
I ain't scared.
Yeah, you don't have to be scared. She'll chop your nuts off. Which one?
What? Which one? This first, right? And then drag it like this. Under the hood, like this. Okay. You look cute. Yeah.
Damn, bro.
Yeah. You want to be my girlfriend? I'll buy you a Porsche.
Shit. I'll be your girlfriend.
Alright. Tell me what Porsche you want.
Stop it. Wait. I want the big one. I want the big one.
We need to blindfold her.
What we have?
Are you gonna post this or no?
Sorry?
I'm gonna turn my.
No. Here, you wanna bring Bella with you? Oh, yeah, just bring her with us. Yeah, I just need you guys to help me do something. Do me a favor. Do you read English? Yo, do you read English?
Do I read English?
Yeah, I can't see. Do you read English?
I can read English.
Hello.
See, when I look at the book, I can't even read it, so I have to like look very close so I can read it, so I can know what's going on. Can you do that? Just keep walking.
Are you reading? Can you see the lines? Can you see the words?
I can see it.
Yeah, keep reading. Just
I
keep
feel like
reading.
this is the kind of
Just
person
keep
that will walk
reading.
me into a wall.
Keep walking or I'll hump you.
Concentrate on focusing on those words in the book. He's gonna give you a pop quiz in a minute.
Ready? Look! What? Get your ass back here. Keep walking, we're gonna hump you.
I was like, do you know something I don't? Oh shit, I'm scared.
Keep walking. My laugh scares her. Shut the fuck up! You ready?
No.
Here.
Oh my goodness.
What? Did I do a good rap on this car? It's a customer car, of course. No, I'm just kidding. This is yours, by the way.
Aw. Thank you.
That's it? Yeah, sure. I want to hump.
What? No, I'm not doing that on camera.
Check this out. Guess what color the interior are?
My favorite color.
How you like it?
It's beautiful.
You really
Oh my
like it?
goodness, yeah.
cool.
Drunk.
Drunk?
Oh, you were drunk riding, bro?
Oh my god.
You should start it. It's pretty cool. It's really loud. So this is the Porsche Turbo. It's a Porsche Macan Turbo.
Making.
No, it's a Macan.
Macan
Okay, it's
Turbo.
Love Making Turbo.
Love making turbo.
Yeah, it's a Porsche Love Making. And those things are... I stole this from her Mini Cooper key.
So that was my mom's.
Aw. Alright, you wanna go in there? You wanna start it?
Ooh, I have the white one.
Oh yeah?
Wait, come in here. But you're gonna have to show me.
How do I start?
She's too short. Shorty.
I just turned it.
Yeah. No, the opposite way, clockwise.
Driving.
Well, as soon as you put her under your insurance, I'm happy.
Aw.
You like it?
Yeah, I do. Thank you, bud.
You're welcome.
Hey, we were putting that bow on and you should have seen the, he told me it was for you. I was like, shit, I'll do a table dance for you right quick. I got on the table and was like,
Then I'll buy you a Porsche Macan.
yeah.
Oh my god.
What a really, really
Come on, Julie, let's take that.
Right?
Right?
What? You should be like jumping.
No, bro.
I'm jumping.
Did you tell her about the
Mini
Cooper? About the Mini Cooper? Did you tell her that the Mini Cooper is
This is for real?
Well,
on the way to Mexico?
Somebody pinch you right quick?
Well,
Picture.
the reason why I bought her this car is because I was like, man, I need a car to take with me to Mexico. So that way when I go to Cancun, like I won't be like renting cars and stuff. So I'm importing your car to Mexico.
Oh, I see. This is just for
It's a
the
trade.
moment.
Yeah, you get to drive it from here to the
there.
shipping yard.
Because if I take this one in Mexico, it's like, yeah, then everybody will be chip tracing after me. You know what I mean? But I'll take the Mini Cooper, so hey, like look at the calipers, red too. Look at the wheels.
Yeah, I do like
There
that.
are curb brushless.
Or brushless.
Please keep it that way.
That's
See,
not gonna happen, bro.
I can see my.
That's not gonna happen. Listen.
Remember, it's
Listen,
on video.
That's not gonna happen.
We have all the car on video.
Curb rash is like something that's a magnet to
This
them,
is the
right? It's
before.
like, there's
Before.
a curb. Wait, I can get a little bit.
This is the before. Yeah. It's mine now.
Is that how that works? Come here. Mine now.
Bella was
Where's
looking at
my
me this
car?
morning.
Because I can't use the one in the
Well, no, hold on.
system.
I stole that one from your Mini Cooper. That's what I'm saying. So her Mini Cooper right now is in
Oh
service
shit, it's in there.
at Imperial Auto, doing some maintenance and stuff like that. So I took this one from her and I gave her a Subaru to drive. So in the meantime, I was like, you know what? Let me get her something that's really, really nice. There you go. Surprise. You really like it or not?
I do really like it.
Oh,
Thank you.
good. I'm glad you like it.
Thank you.
I bought it so I can drive.
Yeah, I really like
Hey,
it.
hey, how long have y'all been together?
I love it. It is beautiful. I always said I wanted a white car. No, you did great. You did really great.